Hello all. In this video, we are going to see about the wait argument in task attribute and sequential task set class. Let's start with the wait argument in task attribute. This wait argument specifies the task execution ratio. See this snippet, I've just highlighted the wait argument. This integer, this defines the wait argument and it's an optional field. In the previous videos, we haven't defined this wait argument at all. This wait argument specifies the task execution ratio, which means, for example, in the first task I have defined the wait argument as 10 and the second task I have defined the wait argument as 1, which means the first task will get executed 10 times more than the second task. But the reality is there is no absolute guarantee at all. But the probability is way higher for the first task to get picked up when the program runs. You can just run this program. Let's move to the sequential task set class. So see here in the previous videos we imported a task set class and we have inherited the task set class for the behavior class. Now instead of a task set, I've just imported something called sequential task set and I've just inherited the same. Apart from that, I haven't changed anything in the program at all. I've just included one more task called third task. So this sequential task set is a kind of task set, but the task executed in the order that they are declared. For example, when we run the program, first task will always runs for the first time, and it will be followed by the second, and it will be followed by the third. The order will not change at all. Even in case if you define the wait argument for the third task as higher number than the second and first task, it will get automatically ignored. It will always run in the same order. And when we are doing the actual load testing, the sequential task set is the most used one. For example, we'll be posting something user post API. Once we post the API, then we'll be retrieving by using the get API, or we'll be deleting it. In other scenario, the first time we'll be logging in, then after logging in, we will be doing some other operation. In that case, the task should be run in the sequential order. It's not be like a weightage argument. We will not be running the same task again and again, but we want the task to get executed sequentially. At the time, we'll be using this sequential task set. Let's run this program and find out. Okay. So it started. Let's see the output. See here, it always executed in the order first, followed by second, and followed by third. It will not change at all. Enough of the basics. We will see the HTTP module in the next video. There are a lot of basic topics to be covered, but when we are going with the HTTP module and the other module, we'll just see the basics now and then. Thank you.